Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious peach cobbler using canned peaches. First, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 2 large cans of sliced peaches, preferably in light syrup. Also, grab 1 cup each of all-purpose flour and granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and melt 1 stick of butter directly in your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. While that melts, drain your canned peaches, but be sure to save about 1/4 cup of that sweet peach liquid. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Then, gently stir in the milk and the reserved peach liquid until your batter is just combined. With your butter melted, carefully pour the prepared batter directly over it in the baking dish. Remember, do not stir the butter and batter together. Next, evenly spread your drained peach slices over the top of the batter. For an extra touch of warmth, sprinkle a little cinnamon or nutmeg over the peaches. Place your cobbler in the preheated oven and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until the topping is beautifully golden brown and the peaches are bubbling. Keep an eye on your cobbler as it bakes. You want that topping to be a lovely golden brown and the peach filling to be visibly bubbling. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the filling to set perfectly. Serve your warm peach cobbler with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Leftovers can be stored covered in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.